Alright, so hi guys, in this video right now I'm going to show you the vintage radio, the Sony SRF-A100 FM stereo AM stereo radio receiver. It's on this LBC box here, purchased from eBay in the US, then forwarded here in the Philippines. It's only a radio though, so no other contents, other boxes and or anything, just pure radio. Here is it. I already opened the box just to make everything easier on the unboxing here. We have air plugs here, like the alternatives to styrofoam, and enclosed here is the radio itself. Ta-da! Ooh. Here it is. The Sony SRF-A100 AM stereo FM stereo receiver. Pretty much a vintage item here. It's going to take some photos of it. It has some dents, but that's just fine. This is a 1980s receiver. It has the antenna here. Used condition, but it still works. We're going to test that out. Yep, here's the side here, left side, the front side, and the right side. And here's the back side of it. Here with the antenna. Here's the bottom. Sony SRF-A100 FM AM stereo here. A and B switch for AM stereo modes, the battery compartment, and the top. At the top we have the power button, volume, tone, AM bandwidth, FM sensitivity, wide, distant, normal, local, and band, AM stereo, and FM stereo with a tuning dial there. 2 speaker receiver. There you go. Alright, so that's about it for the unboxing of it, and also a quick tour. If you have some comments, comment down below. If you like the video, like it. If you dislike the video, dislike it. Give your thoughts down below in the comment section below. Alright, so that's about it guys. Hope you liked the video, and see you again on the next one. Bye bye.